Guys, welcome back to the garage, man. So I got a question for you. Do you guys have that friend that, you know,
shows up once a year?
Yeah, that shows up once a year. Yeah, you're right about that. But you know, you can't ever do your own thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get this vision where you're like, yeah, I want an S10. I want to build an S10 and I want to put a V8 in it, and it's gonna be dope. Like, you're doing something different than everybody else is doing around here because they all have Hondas. And then you have that friend that takes your idea. What the hell is this, bro?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What the hell is this?
It's a parts truck.
It's an S10, bro.
No, it's a Nissan body with.
No, this is definitely an S10, and it definitely has a freaking small block in it. You son of a bitch. Dude, this thing is freaking dope though, man. Like, what the hell? I hate this guy. Like, this is a genuine love-hate relationship between you and me. I'm gonna close this back up because it looked pretty dope with it closed. Just like that. Yeah, man. Dude, you better keep this. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. You better keep this. Because this is gonna be fun. Yeah.
It's motivation so you can finish yours.
Yeah, it's definitely motivation. I'll give you that. But you definitely have to keep this because this is gonna be fun going back and forth.
Yeah, it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Even though you're gonna be seeing all the taillights every time, but it's alright.
Yeah, you see exactly that. Keep that energy, dog. Dead ass, keep that energy. Oh shit. All right, bro. Keep Junior company. I'm taking this thing for a run. This freaking window is filthy. Eeh. Good Lord. No freaking way, bro. What the fuck? Okay. Whoa! Wheel hop, baby! Good Lord! This thing is cool. I like it. Freaking Junior, man. I knew he was gonna do this too. I knew he was gonna do this. It just spins, bro. Hell yeah. This truck is cool though. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really happy that he got an S10 because like I said, dude, we gotta get my truck done. And now we have some competition, friendly competition, you know what I'm saying? We can go back and forth. Who knows, it might not be friendly. Fuck this guy. Yeah, he's got a lot of work to get this truck to hook up. This is exciting, bro. This does push me, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this really is gonna make me want to get my truck done faster. But we can't cut no corners, bro. We gotta get the truck done, but we gotta get it done right. Fucking it. Did you try calling me?
Huh?
Did you try calling me?
Who? No.
Gabby,
yeah, see, it's running warm.
You sat on the phone with me for like 30 minutes telling me that you're buying a truck right now.
Yeah.
Why?
Because the fact I said you were
Test driving
a truck.
Oh.
She was like, you better not be buying another truck.
I'm like, what if he does buy another truck? What are you gonna do about it? Like,
that conversation went to cooking.
yeah, then that conversation went
Into like cooking.
into cooking because
What does that
she
got to
said
do
that
with
she
cooking? How the
nah look because she said that she made lunch too after making breakfast this morning. I was like, where was all this cooking at when you lived here?
Yeah, I know.
She never cooked.
I know.
And then she's like, I always cook. Y'all were just ungrateful douchebags.
She goes,
Yeah, whatever.
oh, like, I don't know,
I said
man.
thank you every time you made food.
Yeah, dude, I freaking love this truck, man. This thing is sick. It's like bittersweet, dude. I hate you for getting it, but I love you for getting it too. Cause it really is gonna be dope having somebody else having one. You know what I'm saying? Mine is gonna be built, not bought. Yours is more bought, now built. But you know,
all right.
I've already got to start with the shit talk. You guys already know. Oh man. Hey.
Got him on that one.
Exactly.
Got him on that one.
Exactly.
Talking
But
back.
hey, you can say whatever it is you want to say. But the real question.
I have AC though.
But the real question. Do you have a wheelbarrow?
Do I have? Yeah, I do have a wheelbarrow.
Do you have a wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
He has a wheelbarrow, guys.
I'm Mexican. What the fuck do you expect?
Do you have a shovel?
Yeah.
Oh, this is perfect. This is gonna work out great.
Yeah, I know. I see.
I gotta go pick up a bunch of gravel right now, bro.
I gotta go get plates.
Yeah, I bet you do. Well, I gotta load the trailer up because we're gonna actually use the trailer this time and go pick up the rest of that gravel. If you guys remember when we were doing concrete, we went to a house, a guy was giving away free gravel, and we covered this whole area right here with gravel. Now, this entire size of this concrete that we laid, all that gravel was just one load in Braven's truck. And I swear to you, there's probably at very least, 5 more loads worth of similar to what it is we got. Still sitting in that guy's backyard that he's wanting to give away for free. I hit him up and he said he's available. We can roll through today and go pick it up. So my idea here is we're just gonna take the trailer, because last time we were having to pick the wheelbarrows up and dump them, you know. If we take the trailer and actually put the ramp out, we can come up on with the wheelbarrow and dump it. So I'm gonna put a tarp out. We'll dump it like in kind of like a mountain through the center of the trailer, and then kind of throw the tarp over it, strap it down so the tarp don't go nowhere. Hopefully that works. You know what I'm saying? So we can get all this gravel in one trip rather than taking 5 or 6 different trips out there. So that's the idea. Hopefully it goes as planned. We're gonna touch back on the truck really quick because Junior just asked me a question. He said, do you, because I think the grill would look good red, bro.
You think so?
I really do. He says he has a chrome grill for it, but come on, you guys know, chrome sucks. Yeah. The black, I mean, the black doesn't look terrible, but it doesn't look great either. I think it would look really good color matched.
Because if I paint this red,
And black,
I
of
literally
course.
want to paint these white
Yes.
red.
Yes.
I don't want to keep them white.
I agree. Yeah, you could see where they masked it off.
Yeah. I'd rather paint it red.
Take your truck down to Old School, have them match the paint, bro. I'll spray it for you. But if
and
you
the mirrors too, I want to paint the mirrors red.
okay, yeah, get a quart of ready to spray. It'll come ready to spray. The only thing I'll need is reducer, which I have some reducer. And I'll spray that shit for you.
What about the lip? Should we paint that?
We need to paint that bumper too, because I don't know if you can tell that bumper's a different color red.
Yeah, it looks like it's been hit with something.
Yeah, this is spray paint.
Yeah.
It's definitely a different red. They tried to match it. I mean, from right here, it don't look bad, but while we're at it, we may as well spray it.
This is gonna come off anyways, huh?
No, we can sandblast it, and if you actually spray it and do a clear coat on it, like a nice heavy clear coat, it won't chip like that. It'll still chip, but like a big ass rock hits it, of course, but it won't be like this.
Can it do a burnout or what?
Will it do a burnout? I don't know. Show us, since you have to leave.
Yeah, I have to leave.
Yeah, this guy's not gonna go help us do gravel. Just comes over to gloat and show off his little truck.
Oh, my back! My back!
Yeah, your back is right. Oh, hold up though.
Shit.
Ow, baby.
Got to represent.
I caught my truck, bro.
You want race for pink slips or what? Is that what you said? Is that what you said? No. Oh, okay.
Later there, buddy. You look like a tequacha.
I'm not.
I think you're running a little rich. Yeah, he needs to tune that carburetor a little bit, but that's a dope little truck. I like it. Ah, son of a bitch, bro. I completely forgot about this. Oh, that's gonna come out, bro. Oh, there we go. You see that?
Yeah. There we go.
Bro. Holy crap.
You got a seat.
All right, one person out of the next 10 orders that orders a sticker, you're gonna get this in the mail. Could you imagine?
Imagine that.
It's $893 to ship. All right, stopping at Harbor Freight really quick. Need to run inside, go grab some straps. What, freaking $7.99. Let's find the rest though. Yeah, these ones are gonna work, screw it. The other ones don't look like much more impressive, but you know, they're like double or triple the price. Straps acquired. All right, back on the road. Oh. Whew. Back at the house, man. Holy shit. This is about how much we were able to fit on the trailer. I honestly thought that we're gonna be able to fit the entire pile of rock that he has out there. But dude, this, I wanna see, what would you say this is? Like half of it? Maybe, dude, maybe even a little less than half. It's such like an optical illusion because you don't realize how much is there until you start trying to wheelbarrow it and move it somewhere. All right, here comes the fun part, bro. Now I get to shovel all this stuff off of the damn trailer. Well, the wheel on this damn wheelbarrow broke again. This happened to us at the guy's house as well. Yeah, it's because this piece of wood broke off, which allowed these bolts to be loose and this piece to come down, which has now allowed these pieces to spread apart like their name is Ashley. And yeah, this shit don't reach now. Do you ever just feel like something is like never freaking ending? Dude, like I'm just shoveling and shoveling and shoveling and it's never ending. I think I have about half of it off of the trailer. This is about where I'm at so far. So I'm just trying to get it off, and I am just kind of laying it out, get it as flat as I can and get everything off the trailer. And then I want to pull the Suburban back here again and just kind of run it over, you know, just go back and forth and kind of compact it down. I'm sure that'll help. All right, this is what I got so far. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all wet. So there's like some real powdery dirt that's in there with it. All you really gotta do is just like soak it, you know what I mean? Get it good and wet and kind of push all that powdery dirt down to the bottom. So I'm not gonna drive the Suburban on this tonight, but I'm definitely gonna do it tomorrow to just kind of compact this stuff down. I can already tell just by walking on it, like I'm able to push it in pretty good just with my feet, dude. So I can imagine once I go over it I'm gonna use that hand stomper like around the edges to try to get it nice and clean and straight, but then just driving the Suburban over it a bunch, just pushing this stuff down into the ground. I think that's gonna help a lot, man. I don't know if you guys can see, but I kind of started the shape of it, you know, kind of rounding it up. I mean, we all know it's not gonna stay like that. I definitely am gonna have to figure out something to actually trim this with, whether it's bricks or like even wood, bro. Like, have you ever seen, oh, I have some out front. This stuff right here, like this kind of wood. I don't know what size. I think that's like a 6x6 or something. I don't freaking know. But yeah, stuff like this. I think that would look good to just kind of trim it. Just separate that area where I want to grow grass and like where the rocks are at. Because I can kind of bevel the dirt a little bit and kind of set it down in there. Maybe even like put a stake, you know, every so often to kind of make sure they don't move. But yeah, that'd be kind of cool. I'm excited to get rid of the dirt, bro. I'm so tired of dust. I know this isn't gonna get rid of it 100%, but it's gonna help a lot. I know whenever my front yard, like when we first moved in, it was mostly dirt. We had a lot of dust. Like all the cars just parked out front would look like this, like just being parked out there for one day, bro. Look at all this. But as soon as we grew the grass, it helped tremendously. So that's what I'm trying to accomplish with the backyard. Alrighty, good as new. Well, kinda. It should last for tomorrow at least, hopefully. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and load up now. I'm gonna get everything loaded up and ready. I think I'm ending the video here. If I don't, then I'll end the video with actually getting all the rest of the gravel down. Who knows? But if this is the end, peace out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and fuck you, Junior, for buying that damn truck. Freaking asshole.